You guys, do you see what YouTube is doing for me? You guys have bought me a couch. I used my YouTube money for this month. Got me a couch. It's not much, but it's better than what I had. It's nice. It's beautiful. It has the features I want with the cup holders. Let me show you guys up close. Has the cup holders. It has the pockets here. You can put a magazine, your remote control, and it feels good. And today I'm gonna go get me some pillows for it. And it has an ottoman, so that this one part, and this ottoman moves, so you can make it as a chase. It's like a chase. And the ottoman, you can put it in the middle, you can put it on the other side, so you don't wear out one side. It didn't cost that much. It was only $99. I'll put the link in the description. But what got me was the shipping cost. Oh, I ended up paying $275 total for this, so that was all of my YouTube money, which is fine, because that's why I'm doing YouTube, to get things that I may want or need. But yeah, and so I haven't got it set up the way I want it yet, but I'm getting it there. Hi, you guys. I'm sitting on my new couch. It seats about 3 or 4 people. It's 77 inches long. And thank you guys so much for watching my videos, for being loyal subscribers, and you guys make a lot of things happen for me, and this couch is definitely one of them. Thank you so much. All the views I get, the AdSense is creating the money for me to get things, so thank you so much. And the views and everything are picking up, so I am so happy. I appreciate you guys so much. I want you to have a happy holiday. This video is going to be showing you how I put it together, because it actually came in a big box. I'll show you the big box. And all the cushions were vacuum sealed in 2 bags. And they were all compressed so tight. And now they're finally puffing out a little bit. And I still have wrinkles in some of the cushions. But they're coming, you know, they're finally coming into their shapes and everything, and I really love it. I love this ottoman, and it's very comfortable. It's actually, you know, pretty sturdy. It's pretty sturdy. I like it a lot. But yeah, it was, you guys, I should have videotaped me trying to bring it in the house, because FedEx delivered it. I saw them bringing it, and the guy was having trouble picking it up. He left it outside by the porch. So I went and got my dolly. Is it a dolly? Yeah. And put it on the dolly and tried to pull it up the steps. I got it up partially on the steps, so then I opened the door and pushed it inside the house. And so I didn't get any of that. I was just so excited to have it, because they were saying it was going to be here after the 28th. And I was hoping, I said, oh, well, my birthday's the 29th. Maybe I'll get it as a birthday present for myself and from you guys. So I got it, and I was like, I'm so excited I got my couch. So now I'm going to get it all set up and make it look real pretty for you guys. And then I'll take some more videos or pictures just to show you what it's looking like. But it's like a dark gray. And I really like it. So, but anyway, I hope you guys have a lovely Memorial Day. And I'm going to change our going live to Wednesday, the 28th. Because my birthday's the 29th, and I'm going to be busy that day, I hope. So I'm going to change our live to the 28th at 7 o'clock a Wednesday. So I'm going to put that on our community board so we won't forget. But you guys, I hope you enjoy the video of me putting together this sofa. It took me an hour and a half to do it. Of course, all of that's not going to be on there, but it's just going to show you what a DIY looks like, and anyone can do this. If you have any knowledge of reading or working a little tool, you can do this as well. And I did it all by myself, bringing it in the house, everything by myself. I'll be 64 on Thursday, and I did it by myself. So I will be putting together my couch by myself with my hands, with these tools. I don't know how this is going to go, but we're going to do it. I'll show you guys step by step. One thing I have learned when putting things together is double check, and double check that everything aligns, and do not screw anything in tightly until you know you're in the right spot. Because I know me, for some reason, I like to put things together backwards and then have to go back in and undo it and put it on the right way. So hopefully that does not happen today. And once I get these in the correct position, then I'll use my little wrench to put them in place. So everything seems to be aligned. So now I can go ahead and tighten these up with this. And I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, I have sealed the two arms. Now I'm going to put the legs on, and then we'll flip it over. Look at these big washers. That's for the leg to go in. Let me see if I can bring it down so you guys can watch me turn the leg, the foot. This is a really nice couch, and I know a lot of people who actually build furniture. No, baby, you know what, guys? She is trying to scratch my couch. Oh, she will be getting sprayed. They got these cute little grippers to put on the end of the leg. This is so cute. Keeps the couch from sliding all over the floor if you got a wooden floor. All right, so now we have the two sides together with the arm, legs on, and now we have to connect these sides together. So let me show you what I'm going to do. We are on to step 2. So that needs to come closer here. Let's see. There we go. This piece is going to be right here to secure that. But first, I need my washers. Washer here. Guys, see what I'm saying about taking your time to do stuff? Because if you don't, you will mess up. here. Okay, so now I'm going to hook this on here. Let's see, let you guys see if I can see this side. I know this is crazy looking, you guys, but hey, I'm getting it done. I'm going to tighten it all the way because I still got to do the top part. Okay, now we're heading up to the top. Okay, so as you guys see, I have put the two sides together, and now we got to put the back on. We are on step 3. The back. Okay, this is the back. This is the front. I just finished doing part 5 and part 6, which is securing the decor in the back. Next 7. Oh, 7 is, I think 7 is the ottoman. Okay, let's do that real quick because I got to be done by 12th so I can go hang out. So let's see. Yeah, I think that's the ottoman I'm going to put together next. Okay. This is the ottoman that I'm putting together. And the cushion, it says to let that inflate or deflate or whatever for 72 hours. So our ottoman base is together. Now we have 2 more pieces to put on there, I believe. Let's see. All right, guys. I have put the couch together. It has to sit for 72 hours without anybody sitting on it or anything for the pillows to fluff up. Those were sucked into plastic. So they are brand new. They came out of the plastic because they brand new, okay? So we're going to give this a couple of days and see what we get. I'll show you guys the after pictures once I get it set up. But I did that all by myself. It took me an hour and a half to set this up. Good job. Give myself a pat on the back. All right, so you guys, I'll see you later. Take care. Bye-bye.